How to use the Toddler kit. Contents of the kit. There is a tracing book, a coloring book, a book of general knowledge, a workbook, a phonic video CD, a book of songs with a supporting audio CD, a book of stories with a supporting DVD, and a box of jumbo crayons. You have the coloring book here, the tracing book, the toddler's first book of everything, the workbook. Then you have the storybook with a DVD, a songbook with a CD. There is a phonic CD with videos and a box of jumbo crayons. Now this coloring book, Toddler's First Coloring, is both a coloring book and a crafts activity book. Get your child to color 2 or 3 pictures in a week and do 1 or 2 craft activities per week. There are suggested craft activities at the beginning of this book. Go at the child's pace and interest levels. The tracing book lays the foundation for letter tracing. The child first has to trace the strokes and color the letter or number. It may take 2 days to complete 1 page. Again, go at the child's pace and interest levels. This Phonic CD will allow you to teach your child phonics very easily. Play the phonic video every day for your child and let your child repeat the name and sound of each letter. Let your child name and identify the objects displayed with the sounds of each letter. Toddler's First Book of Everything familiarizes the child with letters of the alphabet, numbers, common animals, fruits, flowers, vegetables, etc. Name the things in the book and get your child to repeat them. Then get your child to identify and name the things. Point out these things in real life and name them for your child. The workbook should be started after 2 or 3 months after your child is able to identify and name a few letters of the alphabet. The counting exercises can be done only after the child has learned how to count real objects. The storybook comes with a DVD. All the stories have been converted into e-books and narrated for the child. At the end of every story, there are vocabulary words for the child to repeat. Go to the website cft.in and download the storyboards for each story from the download section. Color the storyboard and narrate the story for your child. Then play the video and let your child watch it. After you've told the child the story many times, let your child tell you the story. This book of songs and rhymes comes with a supporting audio CD. It will help your child develop good pronunciation and intonation. Play the songs and dance with your child. Encourage your child to sing along with you. Song time should always be fun time. There are useful preschool guides and templates at the CFTE website. Please go to the website, go to the downloads menu. You will find storyboards, number counting charts, flashcards, and a lot of other things. Please make use of them when you're teaching your child. Thank you.